'18 series 121 Dharmadesh.
Present, sir.
My voice is audible. Dharmadesh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
18 series 136 Yashwant. Voice is
Sir.
clear.
It's okay.
183 Divya.
Yes, sir.
Everything is clear.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon to all of you. In the previous class, we have
Good afternoon, sir.
completed. Yes, Sai Kumar. Sai Kumar, what happened?
Yes, sir.
Okay, mute check. In the previous class, we have completed the concept of tension coefficient method, and also we have started one numerical problem. In that numerical problem, up to we have completed the table part. Table means the how to find the unknown length member. How to find the unknown length member, that also we have completed. And wait for 1 minute, I'll share the screen now, and we'll complete that problem today. That is the last problem in the first unit. If we completed this problem, then the first unit automatically completed. 148 Pranay.
Yes, sir.
Screen is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you open your notebooks. All of you open your notebooks. In previous class up to now we have completed. That is to find the unknown length member. Here what is unknown length member? A to D and C to D. So these both are the unknown length. So by using of Pythagoras theorem, that is Lij is equal to root of xij square plus yij square. Then we got 2.5 and 2.5. CD length is 2.5 meter. AD length is 2.5 meter. So up to now we have completed in previous class. Next, what is the next step here? After completion of finding of unknown length member, then what is the next step here? See here in the method of tension coefficient, the first step is find out the coordinates. Second step is calculate support reactions. Third one is calculate unknown length member, and what is the fourth step here? That is to find the tension coefficient, that is indicated as a small t. See, first step completed, second step completed, third step also completed. Now coming to the fourth step, that is calculate tension coefficient, that is indicated as a small t. And how to find the small t? In previous class also we discussed about how to find the small t. That is by using of joint equilibrium equation. Joint equilibrium equation. Already you know that what are the equilibrium equations are there. Summation of horizontal force is equal to 0. Summation of vertical force equal to 0. Summation of moment is 0. By using of these three, we can find this tension coefficient small t. And earlier we discussed about what is the formula, how to take joint. And suppose if your member is in inclined nature, then what should we do? Everything we discussed in previous class. That is concept of method of tension coefficient. Now, take any one joint. In that joint, we can calculate the tension small t. Generally, this is our given diagram. Here force is acting 36 kilonewton. A B, C, D. Here it is 54 kilonewton. From here to here it is 2 meter. 2 meter. BD. BD height is 1.5 meter. And here we have hinge support. Hinge support means there is a two reactions: vertical reaction, horizontal reaction, VA, HA. And at point C we are having roller support. It means only one reaction available, that is vertically. We can name it as a VC. Generally this is our given diagram, given truss. So by using of this given truss, first we need to take any one joint. Here the heading is joint equilibrium equation. It means take any one joint in this given truss. After taking the joint, how many members are acting? Let's see. Suppose here I will be considering joint A. Joint A. First I will be considering joint A. It means this is the joint A. How many members are acting in this joint A? That is AB member, AD member. AB member, AD member. It means to find tension coefficient of TAB question mark, TAD question mark. So by using of joint A, we can find the members AB and AD, that is tension coefficient of TAB and TAD. And earlier we discussed about what is the formula for taking the joints. First, write a separate diagram of joint A. This is joint A. From A to B, one member is passing. From A to D, another member is passing. And what is our condition here? Condition means if your member is in inclined nature. If your member is in inclined nature, then what should we do? $149 Kiran. 149 Kiran. 153 Harish. 153 Harish. 156 Meghana. 156 Meghana. 158 Charan.
Yes, sir.
Charan, once observe this joint A diagram. This is joint A diagram. And in this joint A, is there any inclined member is acting?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
AD.
Yes. AD is the inclined member. Nice. Next. 156 Meghana. 158.
Yes, sir.
Meghana, are you there?
Yes, sir.
See, Meghana, what is the condition of inclined nature?
We have to resolve.
Yeah, we have to resolve the forces by horizontal and vertical. So AD is the inclined nature. So then resolve the forces by horizontal and vertical. See, here we are calculating the tension coefficient TAB and TAD. So here just mention TAD. Why AD means because we resolve the force of AD member. So TAD, that is horizontal, TAD, that is vertical. See, in previous classes, that is method of joints and section, we have given the outward direction. This is outward direction. But in the tension coefficient method, the outward direction is not required because the name is tension. Our method name is tension. So what is the tension means? Tension means obviously that is outward direction only. Once again, no need to give the directions in tension coefficient method. Always consider positive only. After completion of problem, then we'll see which member is in tension, which member is in compression. So this is the resolving forces, horizontal and vertical, TAD, TAD. Okay. Next, for joint A, apply equilibrium equations. See here, we have a VA and here HA. VA and HA for joint A. See here, joint A, VA and HA is there. And first apply equilibrium equation, that is horizontal force. Summation of horizontal forces is equal to 0. Then see here how many horizontal forces are acting here. That is A to B. A to B, one horizontal force, and here TAD, another horizontal force, and HA, one more horizontal force. Totally 3. So let's solve this problem. First, summation of horizontal force means, horizontal means that is in X direction. See, this problem is very simple. Only one formula. Only one formula. X direction. It means X member is AB member. So just simple write XAB. It should be multiplied with TAB because this is the tension coefficient. So whatever the X direction, that should be multiplied with the tension coefficient plus TAD is acting here, that is in X direction. So AD, that should be multiplied with tension coefficient, and horizontal force is acting here, HA, and HA we got some value is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. And once observe in your previous table, in place of XAB, XAD, substitute these values. XAB, that is first member, XAD, that is last one. See AB, here we got XIJ. XIJ means what? Simple, na? XAB. In place of IJ, here write XAB because the member is AB member. If your member is BC means XBC, here XCD, XBD, XAD. Next, if you comes in Y direction, that is YIJ. In place of IJ, just write AB because our member is AB, and here YBC, because our member is BC, YCD, YBD, YAD. Now, here see XAB into TAB. Here XAB is 2, XAD also 2. Very simple. 2 into TAB plus XAD also 2 meter into AD. HA value is 36 kilonewton is equal to 0. So give one equation. Here TAB unknown, TAD also unknown. Next apply another equilibrium equation. Summation of vertical force.
minus 36 का sir. Minus of minus plus 36.
Actually this is showing only direction in this problem especially. See here the method is tension coefficient. Always consider positive. Suppose here take positive. HA means minus 36 only. Next, summation of vertical force is equal to 0. That is in y direction. That is in y direction. And once again observe in this joint A diagram how many vertical forces are acting here. That is VA is the vertical force, TAD also vertical force. Only two vertical forces are acting. Two vertical forces, that is VA. Next TAD. TAD means that is acting in the y direction. So first to mention YAD. It should be multiplied with the tension coefficient AD is equal to 0. Then already we know that the VA value and we know that YAD value. Here VA means we got 13.5 kilonewton in support reactions plus YAD. See here in the y direction, what is the YAD value? 1.5. 1.5 into TAD is equal to 0. All of you open your calculators, then enter these values, then you will get TAD value. Then you will get TAD value. What is the value of TAD? That is minus 9. What are the units here? Tension coefficient. Here 13.5 is the kilonewton, 1.5 is the meter. Kilonewton per meter. So here TAD completed. Next other unknown is TAB. Just simple. This TAD value substitute in equation number 1. Then you will get other unknown value, that is TAB. Write down TAD, substitute in equation number 1. Equation number 1. So just this value substitute in this equation, that is 2 into TAB plus 2 into, in place of TAD substitute minus 9 minus 36 is equal to 0. then you will get TAB value. What is the value of TAB? ఎంత వచ్చింది? Once open your calculator.
27 kilonewton per meter.
Yes. 27 kilonewton per meter. So TAB also completed. All of you complete it fast. Complete it fast. $160 Devisri. $160. 62 Naveen.
Yes, sir.
Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
163 Gauri.
Yes, sir.
Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
64 Sridhar. Sridhar. 70 Maunika.
Yes, sir.
Is it completed?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Yeah. Next to take other joint. See, joint A completed. Next, you can take any one joint. Based on that joint, we can find the unknown member forces. Here, next, I will be considering joint B. Joint B. See, this is joint B. In joint B, how many members are acting? B to A, one member. B to C, other member. B to D. Totally 3 members are acting at joint B. Now try to draw the separate diagram of joint B. Joint B. This is joint B. From B to A, one member is acting. B to C, one more member is acting. B to D. Next, at joint B, one external force is acting, that is 54 kilonewton. 54 kilonewton. And 173 Lavanya. 173 Lavanya.
Yes, sir.
Once observe this diagram, is there any inclined member is acting?
No, sir.
Okay, nice. So in this joint B, we don't have any inclined member. So no need to resolve the forces. Everything is horizontal and vertical. There is no inclined member, so no need of resolving forces. Next, consider horizontal force is equal to 0. That is summation of horizontal forces is equal to 0. How many horizontal forces are acting here? That is B to A, one horizontal force. B to C, another horizontal force. Now, same formula. Horizontal force means it's a x direction. X direction. It means X, joint is B, so B to A. BA, it should be multiplied with the tension coefficient BA. Next, one more member is acting from B to C. It means X direction. BC member, it should be multiplied with the tension coefficient is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Next, what is the XBA value? What is the XBC value? Once check in this diagram, where is BA and BC? Here there is a AB and BC. Now what is the value of XBA? 175. Vishnu Sai. 75. Vishnu Sai.
Yes, sir.
Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Once observe in this table and observe the formula. Here XBA, XBC. I need XBA value. What is the XBA value here? Tell me. From this table, what is the XBA value?
2H.
180 Megana.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of XBA?
2, sir.
2. 182 Hemant. Hemant. 88 Bikash.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of XBA? What is the value of XBA?
-2, sir.
Huh?
-2.
Okay. 150 Swati. Swati. 181 Sudeep.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of XBA?
-2.
144 Chetan. 144 Chetan. Okay, leave it. See, XBA value is -2, not a +2. See, here we are using some formulas. See, this is AB. It means 0, 2. In the formula xj minus xi. So then we'll get xab equal to 2. But in this joint to B, there is a BA. It means BA. Here xi means 2, xj means 0. Same value substitute here. Xj minus xi. Xj is 0 minus 2. Then it is equal to 2. See, here we are calculating the coordinates. Don't confuse here. XAB is not equal to XBA. There is some variation because this is the coordinate system. Here XBA is not equal to XAB. But TAB is equal to TBA. This is tension coefficient. This is coordinate. Why this is happens means I'll explain at the end of class. So here -2 into TBA. Already we got some value TAB is equal to TBA. That is, just now we got 27 plus 2 into TBC is the unknown is equal to 0. Then it is TBC is equal to 27 kilonewton per meter. 27 kilonewton per meter. Next, consider another equilibrium equation, that is vertical force is equal to 0. It means y direction. Y direction. How many vertical forces are acting in this joint to B? That is 2 vertical forces. One is BD, another one is 54. BD is in y direction, so YBD into TBD, and 54 kilonewton is equal to 0. And once observe in this table what is the value of BD. Once observe serial number 4, that is BD member, and it is in the y direction. So YBD direct value, that is 1.5. 1.5 into TBD, 54 kilonewton. Then we'll get TBD value. What is the value of TBD? That is 36 kilonewton per meter. Next, consider one more joint, then you will get other unknown values. Here next I will be considering joint C. So this is the joint C. How many members are acting in joint C? From C to B, one member is acting. C to D, one more member is acting. It means 2 members are acting at the joint C, CB and CD. This is joint C. C to B, one member is acting. C to D. Next here, one vertical reaction is acting, VC. Already we know that VC value, that is 40.5 kilonewton. 40.5 kilonewton. (135) Sai Kiran.
Sir.
In this joint C, is there any inclined member is acting?
Sir.
Which one?
CD.
Huh?
CD.
Okay, nice. Next, 130 Pawan. 130 Pawan. 142 Sandhya. Sandhya. 43. Tabassum. Once unmute yourself, my Tabassum.
Yes, sir.
See, your classmate is saying CD is the inclined member. Then what should we do? If your member is in inclined nature, then what should we do?
Resolve the forces without considering.
Resolve the forces horizontal and vertical.
Yes.
This is horizontal, this is vertical. Here we are considering tension coefficient. So T CD member, T CD member. So like that we should resolve the forces. Now apply equilibrium equation. First one is horizontal force, that is in x directions. How many horizontal forces are acting here? That is two horizontal forces. C to B, one horizontal force. Here CD, horizontal force. It means both are in x direction. So x CB, it should be multiplied with the tension coefficient plus TCD. It means it is in x direction. TCD, it should be multiplied with tension coefficient. Then it is 0. Then it is 0. Next, what is the XCB value? What is the XCD value? XCB, XCD. Nataraj, 131. 131 Nataraj. 133 Sunit. 133 Sunit. 134 Saujanya. 134 136 Vinita.
Say hello.
Vinita, once observe
sir.
this table. What is the value of XCB and CD? What is the value of XCB and XCD?
XCB and XCD value is 2, sir.
See, plus or minus, that is important.
XCB value is 2 and XCD value is -2, sir.
I am saying it is wrong. 139 Kishore.
Sorry,
What is the value of XCB and XCD? Kishore, tell me the answer.
sir, screen కనబడట్లేదు సార్ XCB -2 సార్, XCD +2 సార్.
XCD
+2 సార్.
+2.
సార్
140 Shravani. Shravani,
Yes, sir.
what is the value of XCB, XCD?
XCB 2, XCD -2, sir.
It is wrong. Kalyan,
Both -2, sir.
157. Value,
Sir.
please.
-2, sir.
Yes, -2 and -2. Because see here, this is XBC. But in our joint C, that is XCB. Suppose if you are in the equation, if it is XBC means we can take positive. But here XCB reverse, it means take minus, and XCD is correct value, minus 2. Minus 2 into TCB, XCD also minus 2 into TCD is equal to 0. And already we know that CB value, that is 27. 2 into TCD. Then we'll get TCD value. What is the value of TCD? That is minus 27 kilonewton per meter. Once observe in this diagram, totally how many members are acting? That is totally 5 members. Already this is in the table AB, BC, CD, BD, AD. AB, BC, CD, BD, AD. Once you see here, the problem is completed or not. We'll check here. First AB. AB, yes. AB completed. AB completed. Next is BC. Yes, BC also completed. Next is CD. CD, yes, here. CD also completed. Next BD. BD also completed. AD, here. AD, TAD equal to minus 9. So all 5 members are completed. So here actually summation of vertical force is not required because we got all the tension members. It is not required. But if we take summation of vertical forces is equal to 0, if we get LHS is equal to RHS, then it is correct. Otherwise, wrong. See, we'll see. In the joint C, how many vertical forces are acting here? That is TCD vertical force, VC vertical force. TCD and VC. TCD means it is in Y direction. CD it should be multiplied with this value plus 40.5 is equal to 0. 40.5 is equal to 0. Already we know that YCD value. See, YCD is equal to 1.5. YCD is equal to 1.5 into what is the value of TCD? That is minus 27 plus 40.5 is equal to 0. Then we can write it as a 1.5 into minus 27 is equal to minus 40.5. Then what is the value of 27 into 1.5? 27 into 1.5. So 40.5. Minus is there. So 40.5 is equal to minus 40.5. It means LHS is equal to RHS. So our procedure is correct. Our procedure is correct. All of you complete it fast. Rahul. After 1 month. చాలా వర్క్స్ ఉన్నాయి మేడం, అదొక్కటే కాదు. అది స్టిక్కర్స్ లేవు నా దగ్గర, మరి ఇస్తాను. అమ్మాయి లేవంటే బాగుండు కదా. సరే ఇవ్వండి, రేపు ఇవ్వండి, ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ ఉంది కదా రేపు. One 46 Kiran, sorry Kiriti.
Yes, sir.
Is it completed?
Yes, sir. Completed.
132 Pawan. 132 Pawan. 154 Madhiha. 154. 150 Madhiha, is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, final table. See, by using of joint equilibrium equations, we got tension coefficient values, that is TAB, BC, CD, BD, AD. So based on these values, and also we got length of each member, AB member, BC member, CD, BD, AD. By using of these two values, next to calculate pull in the member, that is tension, capital T, pull in the member, or else force in the member. We can name it as a T equal to force in the member. All of you once read that problem carefully. What is our problem? Using method of tension coefficient, analyze the plane truss as shown in figure and find the forces in the member. So here calculate capital T value, that is force in the member. In the previous cases, force in the member we indicated as a F, but here small change, capital T. And basically what is the formula for force in the member? That is first small t is equal to capital T by length of member. Then we can write it as a capital T is equal to small t into L. Basically this is the formula, and same make as a one table. Serial number, member, Tij, that is kilonewton per meter, Lij, that is meter, capital T is equal to Tij into Lij, and nature of force. Member is here AB, BC, CD, AD, BD. And once check the values of small t. Here ij means, in place of ij, this is TAB, this is TBC, TCD, AD. Already we know that the values of just now we got all the tension values. That is TAB we got here 27, 27, minus 27, minus 9, 36. All are in kilonewton per meter. And already we know that the length of member 2, 2, 2.5, 2.5, 1.5. And based on these two values, find the force in the member, that is capital T. Capital T means Tij into Lij. It means first to take AB member, that is 27 and 2. You can write it as a clearly TAB is equal to 27 into 2 is equal to 54. Here this is in kilonewton. TBC, TCD, TAD, TBD. Here also 27 into 2, 54, minus 27 into 2.5, minus 9 into 2.5, 36 into 1.5. This is minus 67.5, minus 22.5. This is 54. Here the nature of force is, this is, we got positive. So tension, compression, tension. Okay. 155 Shivateja. 155. 168 Nagaraj.
Sir, 155 present, sir.
Present కాదు. Is it completed or not? Is it completed or not?
Yes, sir.
Nagaraj, 168. Nagaraj 168. Sai Manideep 172.
Yes, sir. Sir, completed, sir.
Okay. Next, final diagram. Based on the values, next try to draw final diagram. A, B, C, D. And see here, TAB 54, that is tension. So the directions of tension and compression. So these are the directions. AB we got tension, that is 54. Next to BC also positive 54. CD minus 67. CD minus 67. AD minus 22.5. This is AD. 22.5. BD 54. So this is our tension coefficient method. So in this first unit, method of joints, section, method of sections, tension coefficient method. Suppose if your paper pattern is 8 questions, in it 8 questions, you need to attempt at least 5 questions. Suppose in future, if he will give this type of paper pattern, 8 questions, in that you need to attempt 5 questions. Then definitely from the first unit, that also joint section tension method. 2 problems will come. Each problem carries a 15 marks, that is to 30 marks. So if you perfect in the first unit, definitely you will get 30 marks. Or else at least you will get 20 to 25 marks. So all of you prepare well and write exams clearly and clarity. And in the coming days, each and every Saturday, you will have a assignments and test. Assignment and test every Saturday. SA1. And remaining days, other subjects. But our subject is only Saturday, that is evening time. Evening time. Question paper pattern, whether it may be assignment, whether it may be a test, whatever it may be, question paper pattern is 3 questions and 3 sets. 3 questions, 3 sets. That is 3 questions means First question is a big question. Second question is medium. It is containing 1 and 2. Next, third question is small question. It is containing 1, 2, 3. So this is our question paper pattern. 3 questions. First is big question, only 1 question, that is 15 marks, and medium, that is 1 and 2. Next to small question 1, 2, 3, and 3 sets. 3 sets means suppose your class strength is, just assume 60 students. Suppose example, your class strength is 60 students. So in that 60 students, I'll divide 20, 20, 20 as a batches. First 20 members, first batch. One 83 Divya. One 83 Divya. 148 Pranay.
Yes, sir.
Pranay, are you following? So first
Yes, sir.
20 members, first batch. Next to 20 members, second batch. Next to third batch. 20, 20, 20. Totally 60 students. It means the first batch, 3 different questions. Second batch, 3 different questions. Third batch, 3 different questions. It means totally 3 different sets. 3 different sets. So this is our question paper pattern and the set, and this is our first unit. So the first unit completed. First unit complete. 43. Dear CRs, once unmute yourself. Dear CRs, once unmute yourself. Madiha and Manideep, once talk to me. Madiha, are you there?
Sir.
Manideep, see here, the strength is 44. In that 44, minus 2. That is 2 names of mine, minus 2. It means 42.
42.
What about your total class strength?
67, sir.
67. So you need to improve from tomorrow onwards.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Sir, actually, the students are attending the class 24 members only, sir. But today, the strength is increased.
Yeah. That I appreciate. Because I observed in previous classes only it was 20, 25, maximum 30. But today almost improvement is there. But from tomorrow onwards also you need to improve like 50,
Okay,
more than 50.
Okay, sir.
Okay, some of 16, 17, 20 students maybe that network problem, some are in rural areas. So I'll understand. But At least try to get 50 students. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And Madiha, are you there? Madiha, I think you are not there. And in this class, we discussed about XAB is not equal to XBA. Why? Because this is the coordinate system. See, generally, first here in this problem, we have taken A as a origin. It means A. There is no distance. So 0, 0. Next to B, that is 2 meter, 2, 0. Next to C, it means 4, 0. Next to D, here 1.5. 2, 1.5. So like that, we consider in this problem. Suppose here I will be considering B as a origin. Just to imagine B as a origin. B as a origin. It means B, we don't have any length, so we can consider 0, 0 in the x and y direction, and here we are having A, that is B to A, 2 meter, B to A, 2 meter. How we can write it as? Because B as a origin, we are considering left side part in the x direction, and we don't have any y direction. Okay, leave it. So here we can write it as a minus 2, 0, x, y, minus 2, 0. Why? Because our origin is B. We are considering left side. So take minus value, and here C is there, and C always positively. C positive. So like that. So that's why XA is not equal to XBA. XA is not equal to XBA. See, once observe here A is 0, 0. Here B is 0, 0. And here A is minus 2, 0. See, XAB is equal to XBA? No. XAB is not equal to XBA. So like that, we should consider the origin point. Based on the origins, we can go for further steps. So wait for 2 minutes. I'll take your attendance, and I'll share the first unit to your WhatsApp group, and all of you download it and write in your SA1 notebooks. Then only you can understand this subject.